Israel's war with Hezbollah is set to intensify in the coming days, and the deal between the US and Iran seems to be up in the air. Shalom, my friends. It's Akiva Gersh with Israel in 5, where we give you everything Israel in 5 minutes. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, I want to keep the conversation going, please do so below in the comments. Because of non-stop attacks through missiles and military drones from Hezbollah in southern Lebanon towards Israeli troops in southern Lebanon and towards Israeli residents in the north of Israel, Israel has decided yesterday to intensify attacks against Hezbollah in Lebanon. Prime Minister Netanyahu gave his okay, gave the green light to intensified military actions in the coming days against Hezbollah, even including in Beirut. This is something that Israel has not done for quite some time, specifically because of the negotiations happening between the US and Iran and facing US pressure not to intensify strikes against Hezbollah in order not to get in the way of these negotiations. President Trump has given support to Israel's right and ability to intensify their attacks against Hezbollah because of the actions of the past few weeks, specifically targeting troops in southern Lebanon. A few soldiers in the past couple of weeks have been killed by attacks by Hezbollah, and Israel is ready to strike Hezbollah much, much harder than they have recently, and is going to be targeting, most likely, locations in Beirut, which has sent many Lebanese residents of Beirut fleeing the capital city for other areas. We will see how that unfolds. That definitely ties into the negotiations happening between US and Iran, which every day, even sometimes multiple times a day, we're hearing different versions of how things are going with these negotiations. President Trump has said himself in recent days, either there will be a great deal for all, or there will be no deal at all. And there are definitely some pieces and parts of this negotiation which are adding conflict and tension to the situation, specifically what will be done with the amount of enriched uranium that Iran already has, and Iran's forward movement towards nuclear capability. Iran itself has said that they will not discuss anything having to do with nuclear issues until an agreement is signed for a 60-day ceasefire and a reopening up of the Strait of Hormuz. America is not very happy with that and definitely wants to affirm and confirm the position of Iran in terms of its enriched uranium and the fact that it will not be trying to gain nuclear capability. So still a lot of questions up in the air about these negotiations, and will there be renewed strikes against Iran, both from America and from Israel? Israel is on heightened alert for sure. And it seems like, though we've been saying this for a while, it seems like any day something could kind of switch and flip, and there could be renewed strikes. But America is doing all it can to see if it can get a deal with Iran to avoid further military strikes. But again, it's a big question mark, a lot of uncertainty. What will be? But what we can most likely be assured to see in the next couple of days, even possibly starting today, is much stronger military strikes against Hezbollah in southern Lebanon. Iran has said if that does happen, if Israel does strike Beirut, negotiations will be greatly affected. So everything's intertwined, everything's intertangled here. A lot of things happening all at once. And we will see, and we will report here at Israel 5 what is unfolding with these negotiations with Iran, with Hezbollah, in this ongoing conflict that has been going on for a very long time now. And people want to know, where will this go and how will this end? All the best, my friends, and be well.